Hello everyone and welcome back to Slash Code. I am back and we are coming with very exciting project now in 2026. If you have been following this channel for a while, thank you for being here again. And if you are joining for the first time, welcome. I am a lead software engineer with over 9 years of experience building enterprise backend application using Java and Spring Boot. Today we are going to mark a new beginning for this channel. We are not just bringing Slash Code back, we are taking it to the next level. Together we will build production-ready software that reflects how modern applications are developed in the real world. So over the past few years, I had an opportunity to work on enterprise software used by real organizations. And that experience changed the way I think about software development. I realized that there is a huge gap between learning from simple tutorial and building applications that can actually run in production. That's why the mission of Slash Code has evolved. This channel is dedicated to helping you bridge that gap by learning practical backend engineering through real world example and industry best practices. So we are going to see production ready architecture, enterprise security, high performance APIs and cloud native development. As you guys already know that software development has changed dramatically over the last few years. There was a time when learning CRUD operation and basic REST API was enough to get started. But today company expect much more from that. Like modern backend engineer needs to understand security, scalable architecture, cloud native development, microservices, performance optimization, and increasingly AI integration. If you want to grow in your career, your skill need to evolve with the industry. That's exactly what we will focus on here. On Slash Code, we will cover everything needed from become a confident backend engineer. We will master Spring Boot, build secure REST API, work with Postgres, Oracle, or MySQL, design scalable microservices, and explore Docker, Kubernetes, cloud deployment, and system design. We will also look at modern topics such as Spring AI and integration with large language model into Java application. Every lesson is designed to be practical, production oriented, and immediately useful in the real software project. Learning becomes much more effective when you build complete application instead of isolated example. Throughout this journey, we will create production-ready projects such as secure authentication system, backing backends, hospital management platforms, multi-tenant SaaS application, e-commerce systems, and AI-powered backend services. Each project will teach architecture, coding standards, security testing, and deployment, not just how to make something work, but how to make it reliable and maintainable. We'll follow a structure roadmap so every new topic build on the previous one. We will strengthen our Java fundamentals, move into Spring Boot, implement enterprise security, design efficient databases, build microservices, containerize our application with Docker, deploy to the cloud, integrate AI features, and finally learn how to operate production ready system. My goal is to give you a clear learning path instead of disconnected tutorials. Everything I share on this channel is influenced by practical experience gained while working on enterprise software. We'll discuss not only how to build a feature, but also why certain architectural decisions are made, what trade-offs exist, and how experienced engineer teams approach these challenges. You will learn clean architecture, secure coding practices, performance optimization, debugging strategy, and techniques that help build software that easier to maintain and scale. Artificial intelligence is changing how software is built, but it doesn't replace strong engineering fundamentals. In the coming videos, we will explore how AI can enhance Java application using technology like Spring AI, AI Agent, MCP, and LLM integrations. At the same time, we will continue to focus on writing reliable, secure, and scalable backend systems. The future belongs to engineers who combine solid software engineering with modern AI capabilities. This channel is more than a collection of tutorials. I want Slash Code to become a community where developers learn together, solve real engineering problems, and continue improving their skill. Whether you are a student preparing for your first job, a developer aiming for senior roles, or someone exploring modern backend technologies, you're welcome here. Your questions, feedback, and ideas will help shape future videos. And I took forward to building this journey with you. So please join slash code community. Thank you for being here and thank you for spending your time with me today. I'm genuinely excited to restart this journey and share everything I have learned over this year. If this vision resonates with you, consider subscribing and turning on notifications so you don't miss the upcoming series. In the next episode, we will begin by setting up a production ready Spring Boot project using modern development practices from day one. Once again, thank you for watching. Welcome to Slash Code. Let's build software that makes a real impact. I see you in the next video.